Alright guys, future me. The intro wasn't that good. We were rushing to get lures in the water because fish were going crazy. Just want to let you know, some of the clips are a bit bad. Like, they're not the best quality clips. You can't see me like reeling or something too well. So, sorry in advance. But yeah, this is going to be one of our best videos. I hope you enjoy. That's all I have to say, really. Cheers, legends.
Wait, man, you go.
Yeah. Bro, I thought I was on seaweed. Yep, got it rolling. Yeah, neither did mine.
Oh, go on.
Get on! Oh, he popped off! Logan's on! Oh, big rod's in! Big rod's in! Oh, boys, it's all going on!
I've got a fish on, Jason.
I think I'm on as well. No, I don't think I am. No, I'm not. Boys, Crowy's on. Oh, this is hectic. This is going to be such a good video.
Can you, no, I'm not. Can you go right hold on the ground?
Yeah. Alright, guys. How's it going? We're down. Just caught this beauty of a salmon on the Molossi lure. Out in that area. Out there, Logan's cast now. They're absolute beauty. You know, we'll get a measure on her and we'll get back to casting. Oh, hey, Logan's on. He got one. Beautiful salmon. They don't have much energy, I won't lie. But, you know, beautiful salmon. We'll get him back. Come on! Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the best video out so far. Come on!
Come on.
I don't know if you guys can hear me well. We had an absolute cracker of a start. 2 salmon off the bat. Both decent size. So that's a good start. Oh, I'll get out now while I can. No waves. Guys, I just hooked up. He popped off though. Oh no. I was just slowly sweeping. Felt him hook up, but then the hook came out. He spat the hook. Bloody hell. How about that? Come on, come back.
Alright guys, sorry to interrupt the video, but I just want to let you know, I know it's a long video, 11 minutes, but trust me, the end gets worth it. Stay for the start, wait for the end. It gets really good at the end, alright? Trust me. Legends.
Oh, he's on the big rod, big pen. What do we got?
Yeah, here's the head shake. Look at it. Go on. Woo.
Hey, Sammy? Salmon.
Woo.
That's actually a decent one. Yo, that's actually good as.
It was a ride.
What, how far out was it?
No, pretty much like that white boat.
Yeah, right. Yes, boys. That's 3 fish now. Come on.
What?
That's 3 fish now.
We call that 40, mate. And none of them were a bay.
Salmon are going crazy. Logan's getting bites on the big rod. We're casting lures. They're biting lures. I can feel them hitting my lure. Just haven't hooked one yet. So we've got 3 fish so far, guys. And obviously, with this algae bloom going on in Adelaide, the salmon are going off. Oh, it's ridiculous. And they're good sized salmon as well. So if you're nearby, past Seaford, mate, I recommend you come down here, bring a rod, bring a lure, just chuck it in, just slowly wind and sweep. I guarantee you will hook up on a salmon. Just sort of be careful of the water and getting it in your mouth, because it's definitely not what you want to get in your mouth. The algae bloom make you very sick. So just be careful. Make sure you rinse off your legs and your ankles and everything once you're done. But yeah, no, I recommend getting out here. It's a lot of fun. It's worth the trip out. We're just hooking up like crazy. Getting bites like crazy, getting hit. Oh, there was a hit. There's a hit. Just can't hook him yet. Yes, boys.
Legal.
Guys, it is all going down. Logan is currently hooked up. He's hooking up. Hey! He's hooking up instantly. I'm changing my lure. My lure's too light, which means I can't get out in the water far enough. So we're gonna change over. What I am using though, if you guys want to know, Molossi on fire.
That was the biggest one of the day as well.
Heck. Yep, on. Oh, he's pulling on the video. Yes. Oh. Yeah, double hook up. Yes, boys.
Get the video.
Yeah.
Where's the GoPro high?
Double hook up. This guy's actually fighting. My drag's actually pretty tight.
Look at that.
He's in shallows. Oh, this is gonna be the best video yet. Bro, my guy's pulling.
You got that, really? Get your ball up. Really, dude, pull backwards.
My bad.
Wait, come on, look.
Ew, double hook.
Oh, shit.
Let's get this, right? Double hook up for the camera. Yes, boys.
Trebles out nice and easy.
Trebles out nice and easy.
Back in the water you go.
Look at that, guys. Beautiful salmon.
Wash your hands in the ground because they get a little bit of blood on you.
Come on, guys. This is going to be the best video ever since the channel started. On again.
Oh my god. Feel it. Look, that far back.
Guys, I'm on again. This is just amazing. It feels so good catching fish on lures. This guy's actually like fighting, not too much, but he's. Oh, this is gonna be the best video. Oh, hey! Oh, he came off, boys. Look at that, beautiful salmon for the camera. Hello. Let's go. Oh, he's pulling. Oi, big one. Big boy. He's actually pulling hard. Big head shakes. Holy smokes. I swear if he comes off, I'm gonna be so mad. No. Oh, I think this one's actually decent. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Yeah, double hooked. Oh, Crowy with a bit of a boom boom. His rod tips fell off. Oh, heck. Imagine you hooked up. Oh, heck. We're on another He's actually pulling hard. Pulling hard. Rod tip high, rod tip high. Oh, oh, yes, boys. Bring him up. He's actually good.
Mine was like that.
Dude, he's actually really good.
Mine was better than that. Oh, Jojo.
Logan's on. Oh, I got him good.
Yeah, I still got one. Woo! Hey, hey. I don't really want to bring it in because I don't really catch the fish anymore, but like, get on camera. Oh man, like, the last one from bait fishing. Hey!
Come on, boys. Oh, he's right there. Alright guys, had a cracker start. Caught probably what, 15, 20 in total. We're gonna pack up, we're gonna move down there a bit more because the bit much seaweed coming up, a bit like seaweed coming up now. So we're gonna move, see if we can catch more down the other end of the beach, but we'll let you guys know. Alright guys, we caught another one. They turned off for a bit, but back on. Not a bad size. Logan's on! Yay! Oh, what? Quickly gonna wash the hands. And we'll get back. Oi!
Bro, this dude, like, put it back.
Did he say that?
Yeah, he's like, put it back.
Alright guys, and that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. We actually caught fish this time. Even though it's not the first, but this has been our best video so far, I reckon. At least good sized salmon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was a bit boring at the start, but we got there. There was a few good clips of some good salmon in there. And I did mention a West Beach video coming up. I didn't post it because no fish were caught, wasn't worth it, but this hopefully makes up for you guys. So I hope you all enjoy it, and we're gonna try to stay a lot more consistent, and yeah, that's all. So yeah, thanks for watching, and tune in for more. Like and subscribe.